got off work early today, so I decided to take Nova for a walk down to Jake's work, and then we'll all walk back home together. So here we go. So we ate dinner, put Nova to bed, did a load of laundry, and then I made her some oatmeal veggie muffins that she loves to bring with, because we're going to my parents'. So now I gotta go pack. So I got my clothes all packed. I also packed my Lairlux massage gun. Has this super convenient travel case, protects it. Everything fits in there super well. I can bring my charger, I can bring my different attachments to use depending on what we want to do. We've basically been using this thing every single day, and so we want to bring it with us. Zip it right back up, and it's ready to go. It's Saturday morning, we got up, we had some coffee, waited for Nova to get up, but she's still sleeping. So I came to the farmer's market by myself, and let's go see what we can find. Hi. Hi. Can I just get a thing of strawberries? On our way. Now that we made it to my mom and dad's, I thought I would give myself a little massage before everybody else gets here. I have the ball attachment on. It's a simple touch screen. Once you turn it on, just click the plus. Good morning, it's Sunday. Just enjoying my coffee outside while my mom has Nova inside. I think we're gonna go for a little run walk here in a little bit. We'll go pick up my sister and meet her, and then we'll see what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. Jake said that he woke up with a stiff neck, so I'm gonna go offer him a massage. Do you want a massage?
Of course I want a massage.
What did you think of the bullet attachment on your neck?
I almost fell asleep.
Brought this with to warm up my legs before we go for a run. Bye. Bedtime massages. Well, thanks for spending my weekend with me. Good night.